Hey there, Dan and Amma. The phone lines have been ringing off the hook. I want to show you that panel of experts you just mentioned. They are standing by live all day now, answering questions from viewers all across the strait. Anything that's insurance related, we encourage you to call in or submit them on our website. And I want to introduce you to one of those experts now, Orlando Frasca, who is an insurance broker based in Walnut Creek. And Orlando, this question we just got in from Kim. She wants to know how the insurance crisis is impacting certain properties more than others. Can you walk us through what you're seeing?
Yeah, absolutely. So what we're finding is that properties of single-family homes, properties that are duplexes, triplexes, fourplexes, essentially anything less than 5 units is much more difficult to insure than those with 5 units or more. We're finding that it's becoming a little bit easier, at least for us, to have clients that are landlords that have 5 units or more. And the reasons for that vary, and probably way too much detail to go into, but that's just what seems to be happening right now.
Interesting. Well, the state's insurance commissioner said himself, we're all going to be seeing rate hikes, and many of us already have. Rosa wrote us this question explaining her premiums with Allstate went up from $2,300 to just about $7,000. Same home, no previous claims, and she asks, are we all just massively underinsured, or is part of this due to bad business decisions like we've seen with State Farm?
So she kind of hit the nail on the head, right? Yeah, a lot of it is what we find is, especially on personal lines and homes in particular, that people are grossly underinsured. I would say maybe a quarter of the policies we see on a daily basis, people who are really, really way underinsured and shouldn't be that low, while another half that we see are underinsured to some extent. And the reason for that is that the cost of construction for materials, labor costs, whatnot to build, just basic inflation has driven reconstruction costs high, and people aren't looking at their insurance policies, reviewing them, making sure that they're covered properly.
Now, this next question affects all of us. It's from Leonard, and it's given your position as a broker. You're, of course, seeing both sides. He wants to know what insurers immediately look for when deciding whether to drop or renew customers.
All right. I would say 3 things in general, right? 1, where's the home located as far as wildfire and brush goes? 2, what's the plumbing situation like? Are the pipes old? Do they have older types of plumbing? Has it been newly remodeled? And electrical panels, right? Probably the electrical panels are the other thing that are being looked at very, very closely by insurance companies.
Great tips. Orlando, thanks so much for your insight. And a reminder, our hotline is still live through 7 o'clock tonight.